Archers snatch back the lead, coach.
Grabe yung sequence na yun.
Wellick with the ball position. Want to go for that elevator play. Ooh! Escobedo gives it to Jacob Cortez. Cortez to Amos. Mason Amos. That's a foul for KDRR. 2 free throws for Mason Amos. Mason Amos, this is his first one. Amos. And we have a timeout. Salado with the inbound. Santos catches it. Salado. Goes inside. Corner. Santos defended well. Santos fires. Misses. Sanjo to tie the game. 5.5 seconds.
What a play! Kalong dito kay Larry Sanjo.
Wow.
Di ba?
Makalalag. Cortez. Double team. Cortez. That's a foul on Calo. So we will have a review here. Eman Calo, Neil Tolentino. Pleading for our officials. So ito nga, binawi yung tawag. Oo.
Pero yung oras, it would still be
2.5. Cortez fires. This is an OT.
basketball nga ni.
Oo, basketball nga ni. That's a foul on Jeffrey Santos. Against Jacob Cortez. Sanjo at the post. Against Pablo. Natapik dito. Handoff kay KDRR. RR fires, misses. Santos, good top to Sanjo.
Up there from Santos to Sanjo.
Abadam attacks. Floater misses. Santos to Sanjo. Nice pass again. 4 straight points for Wellick. 96-94.
Grabe, and all of those shots were made possible dahil sa ginagawa nito ni Santos, di ba?
Fly by Cortez. Big 3-point shot for Jacob Cortez. Three minutes and 45.
Skip pass.
Mingito fires. Short. Out of bounds. That's on Earl Abadam. Si Mingito. And we are in our crunch time. Wow, Salado. Short with a layup. Skip pass. 96-97. Makalalag. Short. Rebound Sanjo. Jeffrey Santos tries to attack. Kick out. Salado. All day. Kent misses. Rebound. Aryar attacks and scores.
Grabe yung intensity. Walang napapagod sa both teams natin, no?
Abadam open. Abadam scores.
Again, when it matters. Tsaka pumapasok yung tira nitong mga archers na to.
The timely shots of the LSU, the accuracy of that
Bow and arrow,
no?
diba,
Bow and arrow ng DLSU. Sanjo with the off-balance shot. They need to attack now. 2-point lead for DLSU. Cortez just facilitating here. The drop pass to Pablo. Stolen away by Jeffrey Santos. Reading the floor. Oh! Breaking ankles! Grabe yung Santos, ha?
Everything but the shot.
100 to 98. 2 minutes. One-on-one. Pablo against Sanjo. Sanjo sumusundot dito. He has 4 fouls. 1 second. Missed shot. And that's out of bounds.
Welek dito.
Santos fires for 3. Too strong. 100 to 98. Cross-court pass. Marasigan. Boris drives. Misses. Sanjo bringing this one down. Mingito. Goes to KD. Strip away by Jacob Cortez.
Ayan, good strip there galing dito. Hey, Cortez, no?
15 seconds to shoot. Kick out to RR. Salado. Didiscarte, 10 seconds. Salado to Santos. Pass inside, that's a push. Second team foul for DLSU.
Ang layo.
1 minute and 4. Santos to Sanjo. Gives it to Salado. Salado drives, quick two.
Nakatalikod dun si Jacob Cortez. Hindi siya naka-help.
$50 seconds. Libre si Makalalag. Miss shot. That's a shot earlier nung fourth quarter.
Oo, yeah. Kaso nga, overtime na to partner.
Oo.
Diba? So, andyan na rin talaga yung,
Pagod.
yung exhaustion. Oh,
Putback ni Ariar.
na-challenge ni Sanjo.
Cortez. Kick out. Marasigan. Balik sa kanya. Plenty of time left. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Cortez at 10. Marasigan against KDRR. Spins. Fires. Short. Rebound for the yellow shirts.
Grabe naman tong game na to.
Salado has it. 8 seconds to shoot. Are we going to the second overtime or to end the game? Salado in and out. Salado short. Sancho short. The rebound, and that's it.
And yes,
Second
we
overtime.
are going to second overtime. Partner, nabati mo yata.
Malaking kawalan ng Welik doon, no?
Oo.
Santos against Goliena. Step back, pull up. Sabi ko nga sa iyo, coach, no, yung shot selection ng isang Jeffrey Santos.
Yes.
Maturity.
Oo, yun ang kailangan niyang makuha ngayon. Na ang ganda na ng ginagawa niya kanina, creating good shots for his teammates eh.
100 all, Cortez. Pull up. That's good for 2 for Jacob Cortez.
Lasal ang unang makakalamang dito sa ating second overtime. Eto na naman, Santos with the ball.
Salado.
They wanna go to Ojula. Ayan na nga.
Poste. Ojola. Nice stop by Amos.
Kita kaya nila yung shot clock. Naku.
Rattles out. Ojula misses. Blocked by Mason Amos. Abadam. Too strong for Earl.
In-anticipate niya yung bump dun eh, pero wala siyang nabangga.
Three minutes and 40. Cortez against Escobedo. Off the screen. Cross-court pass. Marasigan fakes. Dinala sa ilalim. Short with his layup. 3 and 20.
Hirap naman ang layup na yun.
Oo. Binitbit sa ere eh. winakali.
Oo.
Ojula wants it. Here comes Ojula. That's a foul, yep. 14 foul. Concepcion grabs it. Kick out. Steal by Gagate. Ganda ng kamay nun eh. Cortez. Pull up. Papiso-piso lang. Osip-osip lang eh. No?
Yes, sir.
Jacob Cortez extends the lead for DLSU to 3 rather. At the corner, Minguito to
Yan ang
tie!
sinasabi natin. Si Minguito. Andito pa ako, guys.
Pangalawang attempt. 50% for Vincent Minguito.
Yes, sir.
Nakakalimutan nyo, Ray Allen ng UB.
Oo.
Tie game. Crosscourt. Steven Gagate. Pulls up. Miss. Rebound, Escobedo. You have 2 shooters now for Welek. You have Concepcion and Minguito.
Yes.
Now they go to Sanjo. What a fake for Sanjo.
What a move. Wow.
Ginulangan.
Oo.
106-104. Pablo wants it against a smaller Salado. Here comes the help. Pablo escapes.
Ang galing ng smalls ng Lasal in finding their big mans eh, no? Nakita nila yung mismatch na yun. Napuntahan talaga agad nila.
Sanjo. That's a foul on Pablo. 2 free throws. Pablo controls it. Cortez. That's a foul on Salado. For the main event tomorrow. Sanjo wants it. Sanjo against Abadam. Mismatch. Denied by Pablo. Cortez. Kick out for the lead. EJ Goliena misses. Rebound Boris. And the score inside. Tie game. 108 all.
Grabe naman yun.
Grabe naman.
Nagawan lang pag-rebound nito ni Marasigan.
Grabe naman yung mga first-timers natin dito. Ako lang kasi mag-isa. Yung hindi first-timer dito. Minguito! That's a clutch 3-point shot for Vincent Minguito. Vincent Minguito. That is his name. Look at that shot. Yung kamay ng defender,
Nasa harap.
no? Nasa harap na. Match up to, no?
Oo.
Marasigan. Stolen away. Marasigan. The pass outside. Abadam. That's a foul on Sanjo. Tignan muna natin ulit ito. Grabe yung action no? Hindi lang yung mga player nagpapawis, pati rin yung ating court.
Oo, pinapawisan na yung court natin.
Much needed free throws. Earl Abadam misses. 1 out of 2. And timeout for Jay Goliena, Earl Abadam, Jacob Cortez, and Luis Pablo for DLSU. 27 seconds. Escobedo. Escobedo. Crucial. Second free throw. 1 out of 2. Concepcion. Saves it to the wrong guy. Abadam. Denied by Minguito. Concepcion grabs it. 10 seconds. That's a foul on Luis Pablo.
Ano ba mangyayari?
11 seconds. Concepcion. 11 seconds. 5-point lead. Kaya ito na nga. Winning their first match dito